What's up, guys? I'm back. One second. I'm going to show you something. How to do this with a Rubik's Cube. You might not be able to do it. Alright. But it might work for you. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take your Rubik's Cube. It's a bit dark. Wait, I'll turn on the light. Hold on, wait 1 second. I'll plug it in the plug. So what you want to do with your Rubik's Cube, here, let me mix it up because I did it already. I have a Rubik's brand cube, but I know people say they suck. They're actually, but give some love to them. You would have never got this far with Rubik's Cubes if they hadn't came along. Alright, so what you're going to want to do. So I'm going to use the white side. You can too. Now, I'm going to use the yellow side. Well, really, I'm going to use the yellow side. No. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to make a cross with the yellow. Wait, yeah, I'm going to make listen to this. Do not pause the video. Listen to this. You gotta listen to this. So what you want to do is you want to use the yellow side, but then take the yellow side and make a cross with the white. All right. I know this is sounding weird, but it's true. Hold on, let me get the cross. Alright. See, I made the cross there. Now what you want to do is you want to find the corner, the white corners, and connect them. So it's like this. You want to start out like this. Alright, it doesn't have to be the exact same corner spots, but then you keep on going and you do. Alright, and then you have one more corner to fit to get there. Alright. Now you're gonna have it like this. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to middle and then side. See, look, middle, side. And you keep on doing that till you get it. So then it changes. All right, and then that was just. I'm sorry. I want to show you something else. So, you see it? No. Let me get to show it. And this is the person who signed it, Evan Longoria. Alright. So I see so far it's 4 minutes, something seconds. So peace out.